I love doing this. Just giving it a little sun and then dropping it off. This dude's turning. But don't worry, I took the necessary steps, necessary precautions. I took them. Why aren't there motorcycles here? We're headed in a location where there's supposed to be motorcycles here. This is the training grounds. It's supposed to be filled with them. There's none of them though. Oh, thank you. Didn't have to. That was perfect. God, that is loud and so quick. She scares me. I'm not gonna lie. She scares me. We're gonna swap off shift. Why? So we can downshift on them. We got riders, but they're all Harleys. I don't want to goose around with them, but whatever. It's nice to be with somebody. This guy's on a three-wheeler, or a girl, I can't tell. Ponytail, maybe has a girl in the back. I don't know what's happening here, but I'm pretty sure they're all turning when I think they're turning that motorcycle place. So we should be good, man! We should be good! Back on the training grounds, how does it feel? Seriously, dude, there is such a gap in front of you. Is this life? Is this really what you want to call life in riding? Thank you. Thank you. Como se dice? Move! Bitch, move out the way. I really thought there'd be more riders here to be riding with. Since this is a nice Saturday and whatnot, but I guess it's always solo wins with the logo. Just give it a second, and we're gonna bounce. For some reason, I was gonna wait for that car, because I don't know why. The Miata or whatever with the bald old dude with gray hair-ish or something. I was gonna wave to him for some reason. I don't know why. I got an instinct to wave to him. Maybe he's a rider, and my body just knew. My body just knew. You are really effing up this entire ride, sir. My good sir, please, can you F out the way? Sir! We're not going fast, we're only going 30. But I just don't want any cars in front of us so we can enjoy the road. If I want to slow off and go like that, I can do it. And if I want to drop it and suspend it, then I can do that too. You know, that's kind of what I want. I can't see the corner, so I can't just gun it to the corner like that. There could be a rider who's on the shoulder and wanting my help. I gotta catch that. You know? She is hella fast, I can tell you that much. I like that. I like that. That was good. That was good. A little raw riding for you guys. Again, this is the first time we're going through this today. So can't just act a clown off the bat. Plus, I don't want to go over past every single car unless I have that option to do it legally. Otherwise, we're not gonna. We're good folks, man. We're good sirs. We're teaching love, not hate. I feel like I gotta preach that even more nowadays. We would have done it right now, but there's a bicycle up in the corner blocking us. Otherwise, we would have taken that and went up ahead. So thank you, douchebag. Thank you. Thank you. But we're gonna dip this body in a bubble bath with a bath bomb in there, some candles. We're gonna treat ourselves, is what I'm trying to say. Because you being so damn slow, 4 cars got in front of us, including a trash minivan. So just go wherever you're going and think about that. Pull over for a second and think about the actions you did that caused this and whatever. Broly's nice and cold now, or nice and cool, not cold, but not burning up on us. And plus it's like 84 degrees, it says over there temperature air outside, so it's understandable. But man, she is high. Oh, she is high. She is high. That was me just, you know, letting the air ventilate the booty. Ditch. See, when I think of a ditch, I think of a dead body. People dumping dead bodies in ditches. Because that's what you always hear, and then there's always a snitch who gets stitches. I don't know. Fat dude in orange, not your best color, but okay. Don't do it. Suicide is wrong. Don't do it. Instead, come talk to me. We'll have a conversation. You get this whole open road, you're gonna go that slow, sir? 1, 2, and 3. Gracias. I seriously cannot wait until I start taking, like, you know, courses for riding. There's a lot of them they offer here in Mexico, and I really want to take them. They're expensive though, and the cash flow isn't that good because of the virus and stuff. There's other obligations I have to fulfill, but I cannot wait until my hand opens up a little bit. We get the build series all going a little how I want it to go, constant every month we're getting episodes, and then we'll look into courses, and then I want to share that experience with you as well, getting into racing, amateur racing and stuff like that, because that's a dream. He didn't wave back. I gave him the violent happy wave and he didn't wave back. Another Aston Martin. Did they lower the price or what? Because everybody's getting them. Everybody's topping them nowadays. I could cut, but what's the point? There's another car up there. It makes no difference. But no worries, we got more raw riding up ahead because we're going to take some roads that are going to be fun to ride with. And by the way, Broly, she's in sport mode right now. That's the engine output. The amount of power level she's pushing out is medium. She's not going full over 9,000 yet. Honestly, this is the least amount of clothes that I can wear. I can't really wear less than this because then I'm not protected. But what we gotta do is, on these days, ride Nimbus. She does not get hot like this. So our goal should be to ride Nimbus during these times and not Broly, but leave Broly on the back burner and she's just, you know, chilling like a villain. Shiny, I thought it was a quarter, but it wasn't. It was some energy drink or something, some soft drink. I'm tired though. I'm wiped out today. I will not lie, I am wiped out. This riding we rode a lot, super hot, and I'm wiped out. And not just iced out, but wiped out. Dune buggy? Nah, some trash old car, trashy old classic car. Another one. Oh, my Dragon Balls. Another one. No, my Dragon Balls. I don't want you guys to do what I do, just watch, man. So I don't want others to do what I do. There's nothing back there, I just don't want them to act a fool, so I told them there's someone there. So, you know, they'll ride a little nicer. They won't go a little, you know, too ham with it, too jiggy with it. Look at all them Harleys, no gear at all. Come on, open so this dude can leave. Come on, please, abrir, por favor. There you go. Magic word is please. Leave, sir. Thank you. And again, I am warming up like crazy. I cannot wait to go home and get into a bubble bath, man. I need the bath of a bubble. Bath with bubbles. Oh, no riders to join us today. That's cool. We'll do it solo then. See, they got hot too, so they're sitting in the shade. It is just hot today, man. It is just hot today. Do you wonder if the G-Wagon's gonna do something with us? I don't think so. I'm gonna say no. Prove me wrong. I kinda don't wanna act like a fool, because it is hot. I just wanna enjoy it, because I'm tired, man. I am super tired today. The heat. Plus, I'm an hour late for my meal. An hour late for my meal. I stopped because something hit me on my head. I don't know what it was, but if it was a bug, goddamn, he's dead or she's dead, she's gone. There seems like there's no limit, there's no end to the power. Like, it just keeps going. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna hit full throttle now. I'm gonna hit full throttle now. I'm gonna run out. I gotta shift now. Like, it's like it just continuously keeps going. I don't know how, but Ducati, I don't know how you guys did it, but you guys did something to this, man. She a beast, she a freak, she a dog. Our Broly is, you know, a different beast than others, but man, this is just something else. This is literally something else. Or not literally something else, this is legit something else. I am proud of her. I am proud. That brings us to the very end. As always, I love you guys so much. Remember to subscribe. Only if you love me too. And until next time, this is Riding Insane, and I'm out. Peace. I like it.